The first time I saw a Vivago AI demo, I honestly thought, there's no way this is real. The videos look cinematic, smooth camera movements, movie-style lighting, scenes that look like they came from a professional production team. Naturally, I wanted to know one thing: can Vivago AI actually create Hollywood-quality videos, or is the marketing just really good? So I stopped watching demos and started testing it myself. The first thing that impressed me was the visual quality. Compared to many AI video generators I've used, Vivago AI produced scenes with surprisingly good composition and realistic motion. Some clips genuinely looked premium, especially for short cinematic sequences, but then I kept experimenting. Different prompts, different styles, longer scenes. That's when I learned the biggest lesson. Vivago AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. The first few videos were decent. After improving my prompts with camera angles, lighting, emotions, and scene details, the quality improved dramatically. That wasn't the AI getting smarter. It was me learning how to use it better. Now, here's what nobody tells you. Hollywood quality isn't just about visuals. It's about storytelling, pacing, editing, sound design, music, emotion. Vivago AI can generate impressive scenes, but it won't automatically create a compelling film. That's still your job. And honestly, I think that's where many people get disappointed. They expect one prompt to produce a finished masterpiece. That's unrealistic. After spending a few days with Vivago AI, I started seeing who this tool is really for. YouTubers creating B-roll, marketing agencies making social ads, startup founders producing product videos, freelancers building client content, creators who need eye-catching visuals without hiring an expensive production crew. For those users, it's a powerful time saver. So, can Vivago AI create Hollywood quality videos? Sometimes, surprisingly close. But can it replace filmmakers, directors, or professional editors? Not today. What it can do is help one creator produce visuals that would have been almost impossible just a few years ago. And that's a much bigger shift than most people realize. My final opinion: don't buy Vivago AI expecting instant Hollywood. Buy it if you want to create cinematic content faster, experiment with ideas, and dramatically reduce production time. Because the real advantage isn't replacing creativity. It's giving creators more creative freedom than ever before. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.